first we'll see these queues options. So what is this queues actually? So queues means like the filtering of these projects. See, like we have see these filters, queues in this project. When you open this any service desk project, you will see this first option is queues. So queues means we can able to write as a filter, and the issue matched to that particular filter, that issues will be comes to under one queue. See here, all open tickets. All open ticket means like, wait a second. Yeah, okay, guys. Yeah, sorry, I got a call. That's why. So, see, when you see these queues options, so it is showing like all open tickets, unassigned issues, assigned to me issues, waiting on me, incident, criticals, due date. So, how it comes exactly like, so suppose I'll delete these queues. How the queues will be work? I'll delete some queues. See, suppose all open tickets means all unresolved tickets will be comes to here. So how it comes if you click on this edit queue? So this is all open ticket and queues. So they are written one filter here. Resolution is equal to unresolved and order by time to resolutions ascending order. So all unassigned tickets, all unresolved tickets will comes to this place when we click on this. Suppose I'll write some new queue. I'll click on new queue. So this is empty queue. I'll put it some high priority demands. High priority. Also, you can able to select it like more priority high. These are two tickets. And see, if you click on advanced, priority is called high priority. You no need to write any project's name here because of we are already in these projects. So these things, everything will work for this complete project only. So here we no need to write any project name. Just you can write it your filter only. And C is the down. I'm able to see. I mean, like a key summary, created date, updated due date. So this is all. This will be comes to here. If I want to add some extra priority, I will add this priority here. So the priority will become here. So if I move this to priority here, so key priority summary same. So which columns you want to see, the same columns we need to add it to here. If I create this, see here high priority. Okay, if you see what happened, guys. Are you able to hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So these queues to filter your project issues only. Okay. When you open this project, and this queues will become, and if you write any queues here, if you create any new queues, to creating new queues, so we need to write it. We need to write some basic filters, and through that, all issues will be moved to that particular queues. So how I'm writing here like high priorities. So this all high priority will become. So I'll create some new one as a
Record
critical.
permission.
Mhm. What happened? Priority equal to critical.
Record
So
permission.
name. Sorry, right?
Record permission.
Okay, okay. Name.
Record permission.
I am your name, man. Name. Swarup only, right?
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Are you able to hear it clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
See. Okay. When you write these critical filters, I write in one query here. Period is equal to critical. So I've written code. So there is no tickets. Suppose I created, there is no tickets. But suppose if I open these tickets, any ticket I'll open it, I'll change this priority to critical, medium. I'll give the, oh, there is no critical here. Blocker is there. Suppose I'll write some blocker. Okay, blocker priority. So if I change this to blocker again,
My HR.
see the same will be
Hello?
comes to here. 4 it is coming to here, right? So it means like when you write in any filters, when you write any queue, so it will be asked to write some filter. So that if the issue match to that filter, the same ticket will be comes to under that queues. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
very
sir.
simple things, very simple things. If you see, you'll understand it clearly. If you remove the right side, we have this option like edit queues and delete queues. Okay. So if you delete the queues will be delete, and if you want to edit, you can able to edit the queues. And if you want to add new queue, so in the down we have a place new queue. If you click on it, it will be give you options to create new queue. So please give some name and to write some like query and like filter. So if the issue match to that particular filter, and the same we can able to see under that filter, that queues. So it is a very simple things. Okay.
Sir,
And mm,
here inside a project only we can see the tickets, right? Not like other projects and all we can't see in one place, right?
no, no, no. See, if you want to see that again, you have to write some complete filters. This is the backend filters. So here
Uh-huh.
we need to write that filter. So same how we are writing these filters in backend, the same way we need to write it. So all project ticket we can able to see, but within the project as well we can able to write it.
Okay.
So for business software perspective,
Recording permission, sir.
check it now. Uh, okay. See, when you write filters here, suppose if I write bench, so all tickets will be comes to here. See, like 75 tickets is coming to here. If I want to add some extra project as well, suppose I'll select bench and demo project as well. So the same all will be comes to here. Bench project and demo project, all tickets will be comes to here. So if I want to write a group of projects tickets, the same way to backend we need to write it. Go to issues, search for issues, we'll write it. But here we can able to manage within the project issues. That is called as a queue. Okay. And next options we have these customers. So who is the customers? Like who raise the request in these projects, they'll automatically comes as a customers. So Ananta, Kovid, Suresh, and Venkatwan. Okay. So these people's this COVID to raise a request to raising and to already closed. So how many issues closed? How many closed? So this all people's informations. See, n number of people create a ticket to customer portal. The same person's email ID will be added automatically in these projects. Okay, so this is the customer. Customer means who raised their request. So the people same will be comes to here. Okay, and next thing is same reports will become here. In the reports, suppose first workload will become. So Nagraju is working all tickets is assigned to 4 tickets. And if the ticket is assigned to some different person, so the same number will become. So this is completely agents names and who are working on the ticket. So Nagraju got assigned 4 tickets. This is a full workload. And next person, if the tickets also assigned to some different person, the same person name will become here, and that number of assigned tickets and workload also will be comes to here. This is completely the workload of agents. Okay. Next is SLA goals. So SLA goals means like this. SLA goals and time to resolutions will become here. And priority medium 1 hour calendar Nagraju is a 40%, 50%. This is success of all ongoing SLAs in last 7 days. How much is success? Only this is a 40% is success. This is 50. This 33. All remaining issues 100% will be success. Means within the time if they are resolve the ticket, within the time if they are respond it, so this will be moved to 100% successful. So if you are not respond within that time, so I hope we are not responding here within that time. So that's why the same will be comes to exactly See, this is all are based and it is exceeded timeline. So all will be comes to here. Success on ongoing SLS in last 7 days is a 40% only success, medium tickets. High tickets only 50%. Blocker only 33%. Okay. And time to resolution. This is a time to first test one. Resolutions, high blocker is a 0%. It is a 20%. So we can able to capture the same information SLA goals from here. And this is the satisfaction setting. So how the satisfaction ratings like 7 days, we know this in the same we have that satisfaction setting on and off it. So if you are on, so people give, they'll give ratings. So how much ratings, users reviews, everything will be comes to here. And same here we have some custom like reports. So this is the created and resolved recaps and the time to resolutions things like who are assigned. There is no this reports SLM meet based. See, if you take normal projects, there is no options to create custom reports. But in a service-based project, we have the options like to create a custom report option. If you click on new report, just add new, add series. We have to write here something like time to meet average rating or something. So anything we can able to select it and create it or something. Labels. If you write some filter here, type, I select suppose network, add resolve tickets. See, two resolve tickets. This is the things like I have taken only issue type is network. In the issue type network and two resolved, I'll not take created. I'll take this removed. Like resolved option. If I add some extra series here, created, type network, and created. See here, if I take new report, new network, create. See here, the network is coming here. If I click on this network issues, 2 resolved, 5 created. If you go to down, 20th March, 0 created, 0 resolved, 0 created, 0 resolved, something. Like, but 25th March, 4 tickets is created, but 0 resolved that day. And 26th March, 0 created and 0 resolved. So same like how many tickets are resolved, how many tickets are open. So based on that filter, the same will be work here. And who are responding, who are assigning or something. So assigning persons wise, how many person got assigned, how many resolved it. So we can able to write some custom reports here to see every time, like how we are created dashboard to see how many created, how many resolved it to status wise. So how we are capturing that information in dashboards for normal project, the same we can able to capture within the project through these reports. Okay, so but to creating dashboards to this like services project as well, we can write it. So go to issues, filters, to write some filters and to save that and to create dashboard to capture that to add some like gadgets to configure some that filters. So everything it will be work same. But we have these options within the project as well. So it will be give some clear inputs like as per our request, how many resolved, how many created is last 7 days. So if I want to last 48 days something, so everything, so we can able to take it easily from here to selecting this way. If I want only 7 days, so 7 days tickets only will becomes. Okay, so it will be very easy to understanding and to easily to write some custom like reports from these places. Okay, you just try something. And next we have this option raise a request. See, this is the important things like suppose I will see if I open that config, the projects like my people are asking to provide your customer portal ID. So I have binge project, but when I open customer portals, here, so probably I'm able to see lots of projects here. If I have 2 or 3 different projects, the same project names will be come to here. So I have Benj and Volvo. So if I Volvo, the same things will be come here. the ID will be changed 4. This is ID is 4. So if I comes to back again, welcome to CG and welcome to bench, this is the 3. But my customer is asking to please share me that link automatically, but I can't open this different page and to open that, right? So if anyone customer asks me to please provide that customer portal of bench projects, I just click on this place. So this is the ID. If I'm share this to my customer, so he can able to access through this. Okay, for this project, this is the raiser request. This is the customer portal link. So if you provide this link to your users or customers, so they can able to raise a request from here. This is only related to your projects things. Okay, just link will be comes from these places. Okay, and next thing is like knowledge base. So I'm already told you this knowledge base to link with Confluence. So we'll try something like when we are installing Confluence. So we need to install Confluence and we need to create some pages there. So we can able to link that pages to here. So customer can able to access that page every time and they can able to see some informations to resolve customer issues. Okay. Here they'll mention solve issues faster. These are knowledge base. Connect your service desk to Confluent and let customer help themselves. Create how to and troubleshoot articles to common request. Okay, solve issues faster to read that things. Okay, and next here customer channel. So this is only same customer channel. This is only view customer portal. So if I enter the same ID here, same portal will be open. It means like, so if the guy asks you to share that customer portal, customer channel means customer portal. So if you share this copy, that person, so he can able to access to that link. Next, invite team. So we can able to invite some team to this project. So, but we don't have any outgoing email ID, so it will not coming here. Next thing is like welcome guide. Getting onboard to new service desk. Be have some. So you are using Jira service desk. A few you are have some. So some no, I mean like some welcome guide. So how it works and what is that things like. So everything some welcome guide will it will becomes like user guide type. So complete documentations here related to this like things. And this thing next. Yeah. So cancel request the customer portal. So they are not giving options. Okay. So this is completely some welcome guide. So when you create some project as a new project, this welcome guide only it will be open. So because we are entering this, what option we have, everything so here. So the all option will be comes to here to see what is the steps are available in service desk to perform. Okay, so this is the all options. This is the left side, and here I hope, and this is the main important things like is the queues. So I think queues is important here, and the next thing is here the important topics. This is the 9 options. So we need to work on these 9 options, everything. Okay, it's done. And 10 minutes. Okay, see if the next topic is we'll discuss something about like Jira performance issues. So have you discussed before this? So like when Jira is working slow, so we need to do some performance things. So have you discussed that previous or
No, sir.
no? Okay. So suppose like Jira performance, this is a very important topics like when Jira is working slow. This is the very important question of interview questions as well. Jira performance issue. Jira performance issue. See, when Jira working slow. What steps we need to take care first? The first step, suppose if you refresh this page, or else if you go with this, suppose systems, system info, it will take some time sometimes. Okay, so how we need to resolve the things first? First, when Jira is working slow, the first steps we need to do is the log files checks. Where is the log files? If you open your system, if you open your Jira applications links, Atlassian Jira application data, Jira log. If you click on this log, Atlassian Jira logs. Okay, the first steps we need to log file. Okay, it is located in application data, Jira log, Atlassian Jira log. Okay, so application data Jira log here, Atlassian Jira log. If you open this, so some information will be captured here, and we need to read that and where the Jira is working. So what is log work actually? The log work option, the thing is like to capture each and every step in Jira. So Jira lo aim jarutundi, aim happenings, and who are working on it and what happening. So installing any plugin, to creating custom fields, to creating dashboard. So every information will be captured here. Okay. So if you move something down, so here the last, I mean, test, it will be work something like path does not exist, Johnson some file. So if you read some information here, we'll able to capture some information here to resolve that performance issues. So the first thing we need to tell them, like, to read that first we need to check log files whether anything is capturing, anything is working in like when we check log files, so we can able to capture something, so what happening in Jira. Okay, so suppose if you are not found anything in there, okay, in log files we are not found anything. Okay, so we are not understanding some minimum requirements we need to do in Jira, that called, okay, so that called, like, first we need to check JVM space. So how the JVM space we need to check? JVM check, JVM check. Okay, so the same location in admin console, system, admin, system info. In a system info, if you come something's down, see here, JVM space. Here's almost is a 32%, means almost 68% is full. It 68% is full and only 32% is free. So suppose when it is filled 70% above, 70% it is filled, Jira work slow. Okay, Jira perform very slow. So in this case, we have this total memory 1820 MB, free memory 579, and used memory 1241. Okay, so memory graph, this is the graph. So in this case, sometimes we can able to click on these 4 garbage collections. So when I click on these 4 garbage collections, see, click on 4 garbage collection, the unwanted file will be deleted and this memory graph will be increased. Okay, see, now 68% is free. Before is a 32% is only free. So when I did this performance, it is comes in exactly written. So total memory 1820 and free memory 1245572. So this is increased it. Okay, but when I click on for garbage collection, some organization will not accept this do for garbage collection. So in this case, what we need to do? Okay, the first step to check here, we'll do for garbage collection. Okay, for garbage collection is the first step. Okay, the next steps we have here, like to increase JVM space. Increase JVM space. So how we need to increase JVM space? Okay, so increase JVM space is the back end. So Atlassian, Jira, Jira.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Nagraj.
Yes.
Any drawback? I mean, force garbage use చేసినప్పుడు any drawback ఏమైనా ఉందా? Some organizations అనేది allow చేయవచ్చు.
చెప్తా కొంచెం clear wait. Okay, see, when you open this bin folder, and here we have this set env file, set env ss, set env bat. So bat file for is a Windows. Open this file, just click on it, open some places. So here we have some JVM space things. JVM space 384 minimum is the maximum, 2048 is the. So if you are increase this, this JVM space will be increased. But if you change this file here, if you change this here to reflecting this data into Jira, we need to restart Jira. In this case, we need to shut down, we need to put it some downtime. Okay, to increase this, the for garbage collection, no need downtime, we can do it directly. Okay, but to increase JVM space, once you increase the JVM space, to reflecting that into Jira, we need to Jira down, need Jira downtime.